Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the going mainstream with Soneium campaign on Layer 3. Now, Soneium's the next-gen blockchain ecosystem by Sony, yes, the Sony, and Startail, empowering global creativity and innovation by bridging Web3 and Web2 to enable mass adoption with scalable, developer-friendly technology for limitless possibilities. So we're going to dive into these two quests in this campaign, and there will be more coming soon. And this is a testnet, so don't worry, you don't have to have any real funds. You can check out their Twitter page here, follow them. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology. All the fun stuff we get to learn and cool rewards we earn along the way, not just with using testnets, but with Layer 3. They have their staking, they have their rewards mechanism, they have all kinds of fun stuff, and they have what's called these races where you can participate in certain races that they have throughout each month, and you have to be staking a certain amount and complete a transaction on a certain network within a certain amount of time, and you will get the allocated reward. So sometimes it's anywhere from like $10 to $30. So you just never know. But Layer 3 always looking to keep incentivizing its users. So it's worth using and staying active. If you ever have any questions about how to navigate Layer 3 or any other quests or campaigns that we cover here, please jump in the Discord. Link is down below. Jump in the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up. You will have access to all these amazing channels. So get in there, stay active, and yeah, get your questions answered. So we will help you to the best of our abilities. I appreciate everyone in there helping out, y'all, and sharing their knowledge and projects. Keep it coming. I'll keep covering them, sharing them out. But yeah, let's dive in. The going mainstream SoneFi. So bridge to Soneium Minato, or bridge any amount of Ethereum from Sepolia via the bridge. See if we can verify that. We'll agree. Connect. SuperBridge testnet. So Sepolia to Soneium. So these are the different test networks available. SuperBridge. Ooh, I'm gonna have to update this. This is great. I'm gonna update this in the Discord actually, because we have a testnet channel in the Discord, or a testnet section that has all the token faucets and stuff. You can get the testnet tokens, and this is gonna be great because this has all the bridges. Not all of them, but so we're going from Ethereum Sepolia to Sony Minato, and we'll just do half an Ethereum. So first, you need testnet tokens. You can go here, paste your Ethereum address. You will need a Gitcoin passport score of at least 2. I did a video on that, one of the testnet videos. I'll have to find it, but yeah, it's easy. So I'll have to link that below. But yeah, you paste your Ethereum address, start mining, and you will start getting testnet tokens. So once you have testnet tokens on Ethereum, bridge them over to Sony. We'll review it. Transfer time is 3 minutes. Gas cost is much Ethereum is a couple bucks, and no fees for the platform. I understand. Yes. So we will start bridging our token over Sony network. Y'all are doing fantastic out there. All right. So now we're going to go to SoneFi, and we're going to add any amount of Ethereum as liquidity via SoneFi. So we're going to deposit some Ethereum. Connect. So a lot of these projects are new, so they're going to be less popular at the moment. So since it is a testnet, but here we go. We'll go to the faucet to get our testnet tokens. Let's claim some of these. That way we're interacting with everything, getting all the tokens, perpetual trading, swapping tokens. Okay. Claim wrapped ETH, wrapped Bitcoin, and then we'll claim USDC. Hey, got our Ethereum, so make sure that we can make sure it claimed. Okay, go to perpetual trading, and let's see, we can trade. So this is Ethereum that we're trading. What all do we have? Ethereum, wrapped ETH, wrapped Bitcoin, wrapped staked ETH, ASTR. What is that? I don't remember. Star. Okay, we can pay with any of these. Let's get wrapped Bitcoin. Okay, let's just trade a little bit here. I don't really care what direction because I'll be doing both of them. Okay, and you can do a swap right here. Oh, we'll go long. Orders. My order open. Trade. Anything? No? It says transaction completed, but I don't see anything. Let's check out a short. We'll do a short on Ethereum. Oh no. Let's do a short on wrapped Bitcoin. We will use 50 USDT. Prove. Oh, maybe I didn't actually hit the other one. Oh, might have been my. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think I just accidentally. Yeah, see, I think it was because the actual that transaction. That was a goof. Fun. 10,000 points for share. Tweet this out. Oh, it's not working. No. Oh, there you go. Tweet this out. Let's see if we get a bonus. Oh, the bridge is done. All right, so there we go. We shared that. Okay, what else? There's a token swap, pay, USDC, DE. There we go. I wanna have a balance a little bit. All right, prove and swap. So all the fun stuff. Okay, do we get it? Yep, there we go. Have our swap. Let's just go to this swap right here and utilize this one because there's, what's SOE? Did I even get that other wrapped ETH? No, I never got that. Okay, we'll try and claim that again. Go to this swap, check out some of these other tokens. Okay, I guess sometimes if there's not enough liquidity, you just have to put more zeros in front of that. So yeah, that's a good slippage. It's at least it's under 0.5%. So this is the price per ETH, right? Check out another token. Okay, insufficient liquidity. Now with the testnet, you don't really need to pay attention to all the slippage and stuff like that. It's good to know, but let's check these other boxes. Let's actually put 20 on here. We'll change some of these values. I'm gonna put 1%. I'm just gonna change all the values. Since it's a testnet and I don't really care, I'm gonna put a bunch of different stuff. Okay. What you're going to receive. Now we'll use these tokens in the liquidity pool. Let's verify this too, and we'll skip that since we're already doing it right here. So here we will boost your assets by providing liquidity, SLP APR 2.18%, provide liquidity and earn ES SOE airdrop plus 45% protocol revenue. Eee, nice. So what's the earn? Okay, so let's do the max right here. See what we can get from this testnet liquidity pool. Add liquidity. Sweet. Okay, now do some USDT as well. Okay, what's these automated market pools? Okay, this is just liquidity pool pairs, and go ahead and actually deposit some in here. Oh, we don't have any more wrapped. What do we have left? We have left USDC. So add liquidity. Go back here. Okay, I don't see it. So go to swap, add liquidity, and just put Ethereum, USDC. We'll put all of our USDC in there. That way we have something in one of these liquidity pools, because it is different than what I did before with buying SLP, because this is providing liquidity to the token pools for people to trade. So in order for you to swap tokens on this page, you have to have liquidity in these pools right here. So all this liquidity allows you to swap tokens here. So some people like to deposit their tokens in here to allow people to trade with, and they earn a certain percentage of the fees on each one of these. So this is the actual token for the protocol that you earn rewards from. I don't know the actual mechanisms behind the SLP token, but this might earn revenue off of the trading fees, off of everything else. So all the fees generated by the other DeFi stuff, swapping tokens, perpetual trading, that probably goes into SLP, and you earn the APR that way. So let's check out the earn page and see what we can do. Phase 1 ended. Okay, so that's over with. But and liquidity, trade, profit. So, okay, that's the points. Here's the rewards. So let's see, buy SLP. We've got SLP, buy SOE. What is SOE? Let's check out SOE. Oh, convert ES tokens. So your stake tokens. I don't have ES tokens, but we can find out. Oh, SOE. Yeah, I did get some SOE. There we go. We'll stake some of our SOE that we traded for. Boom, boom. Prove. Now we'll stake. Let's see. Do we have any ES SOE? Need some ES SOE. I don't know how to, not sure how to get the ES SOE. Okay, we shall move on then. Wait, let's see. It doesn't really say how to earn it. Oh, you probably earn it from here. So that makes sense. Yeah, if you earn the ES escrow tokens, then you should be able to claim them once you start accruing them in your rewards tab. So keep an eye on this and see if you got any escrowed SOE, and then you can stake it in here. But yeah, that's SoneFi. Then next oh yeah, we gotta complete this. You need to mint your cube in order to complete this. All right, let's go mainstream with SuperVol, first ever gamified options trading platform for consumers on the Soneium Testnet. So we've bridged already, joined their Discord, and you need to claim USDC on their Discord in the claim tab, and then we'll deposit that test USDC. Let's go ahead and join this Discord and see what's up. This testnet token. Okay, verify, solve this CAPTCHA. Okay, claim testnet tokens. Okay, let's get our next Layer3. We will copy our wallet right here. Yeah, go here, click this little copy address and paste it right here. Give that a little submit and boom, it's thinking. Okay, there we go. The lightning leverage instant 100x minutes. Geez. Okay. To open a trade on SuperVol, we didn't have to do it yet, but we're gonna do it anyway. So this is the light version. Bitcoin, Ethereum, ASTR. Change. I don't think you can change the art. There's a chat right here. This is over under. Make a deposit. Make a deposit. This is your position tab, your history, and let's see. Okay, let's do 100, and then deposit. Prove deposit. Prove deposit. All right, check out the history. So it's weird it doesn't show up. Start a new order. So that doesn't work. So it looks like this stuff is still kind of buggy. Powered by Pyth. Let's check out the degen. See if this page works. I just don't understand. Okay, a little better. Not really. Okay, that was weird. Huh. I think, oh, that was weird. So I'll have to send that in as a bug. So when you're on the degen page and you click on start new order, it just goes to light and degen. Okay, the deposit button works. See, this is the kind of stuff you got to look out for when it glitches like that. And let's deposit this. I don't know if it's going to do anything. But yeah, I mean, we're still early in the Soneium Testnet, so there's still a lot of building to be done. But it's cool to get these interactions, and yeah, we'll have to submit these in their Discord as a bug. Oh, there you go. Just takes a while. You'll have to wait a minute for this transaction to go through. So keep that in mind. Be patient. Just relax when I know you want it to happen right away, but there we go. Much faster. Some of these transactions just take way too long, and yeah, it's not worth spending the time. I mean, it is, but it's not worth freaking out over. So check this out. Finish that and going mainstream, claim your rewards and your cube, and then we will wait for other quests to come with this campaign. So it's good. You don't have to be interacting on this on a daily. I don't believe it's not one that might require that. So maybe 2 or 3 times a week, interact with some of these, or at least come claim your tokens when you get your token rewards. I'm going to swap some more and add liquidity with SOE. So yeah, I'm going to swap out for that. So yeah, go play around, see if you can break stuff and hit tickets, and they could even reward you for finding bugs in the system. So yeah, but feel free to reach out in the Discord. Link is down below. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a one. Peace.